What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. If you guys get any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new, and drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts on VeChain. It's currently pumping right now. Some big news was released, so let me know your thoughts. It goes a big way with the algorithm, and I reply to as many comments as I can. I brought my water this time. Sorry, I just boomed it against the mic. So I wanted to go over this very juicy news, guys, and this news was actually released on the Discord here. We have an awesome community here on the Discord, and recently on the Discord, the members asked if I would create chat rooms for popular coins. So I've done that very recently, and in the VeChain chat room, Andy Cannon released some news on VeChain, which was awesome. Thank you, Andy. So we have a beautiful community over there. Guys, if you want to join, there's a Patreon link. It's a $3.50 USD per month subscription to support the channel, and you get access to the Discord. Completely optional. Don't feel obligated. It's just something that I will bring to your guys' attention every once in a while. All right, guys. So we first started talking about VeChain on March 23rd at 8 cents, almost 9 cents, 0.087. And we had that news release, and currently we're sitting at 0.12, so 40% gain over the last 7 days, which is awesome. Just in the last day alone, a 24% gain for VeChain on the month. 100% gain for VeChain on the 3 month. We're going to see that nice juicy 335%. So we'll do a very quick overview of the website. We'll go into the juicy news as well as some very basic technical analysis. And I'm going to explain how I'm playing VeChain, what I'm doing with VeChain. You play it how you will, but I would like to be transparent with how I'm playing it. So guys, let's quickly look at the market cap. The market cap is 824 billion. The 24-hour volume is 1.3 billion. The circulating supply is 64 billion coins of VeChain. All right, guys. So we'll do a quick overview and we'll head straight to the news. So VeChain is a leading global enterprise level public cryptocurrency and blockchain platform. So VeChain Thor, the public blockchain that derives its value from activities created by members within the ecosystem solving real world economic problems. All right, guys. So here's some of their resources so you can learn more about VeChain. So they have their meta transaction features native to VeChain Thor blockchain core protocol, such as multi-party payment, multitask transaction, controllable transaction lifestyle, transaction dependency, and make the development more user-friendly for enterprise adoption. So we can see here controllable transaction lifecycle, multitask transaction, free delegation, and transaction dependency. So they have their proof of authority here. They have their academic research partners, their blockchain developers, their community contributors, their enterprise users, and their business and technical partners. And their governance, the economic model, the VeChain Sync, as the first official desktop wallet. So this is just some more news on VeChain. As the first official desktop wallet, supports CoreNex sync providers, a limited potential for developers and users. So you can kind of look over this. There will always be a link if you're new to VeChain. All right, guys. So stakeholders benefit from collective value creation through the development of the ecosystem. The VeChain Foundation, the enterprise users and partners, the community investors, the developers and startups, the institutional partners, and the research partners. And here's their committee and their advisory board. All right, guys, that's it for the website. So let's head straight over to this news here. So we're pleased to have worked with Daniel Norty. I'm gonna think the J is silent. Daniel Norty, director of strategy and architecture at Salesforce. All right, so Daniel has chosen VeChain as the blockchain of choice in his sample enterprise adoption case and successfully connected VeChain tool chain with Salesforce. So we're going to get into this article, just a little bit of the article. It's very exciting news. So Salesforce begins testing on VeChain. VeChain native token VET saw its price surge by more than 70% since late March following a minor retracement. Investors have been taking advantage of every downswing to scoop tokens at a discount, helping prices advance further. So The mounting buy pressure behind this cryptocurrency allowed it to hit new all-time highs of 13 cents in the past few hours. Salesforce's decision to enable open, seamless data sharing across multiple parties using data hashed on the VeChain public blockchain seems to have fueled the most recent upswing. All right, guys. So Sunny Liu, CEO at VeChain, maintains that Salesforce integration could help boost VET utility exponentially. So that's great news, guys. Definitely something to look into this article. I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to check it out. So let's quickly go over this technical analysis here. So first, I'm going to show you guys VeChain on Binance on the 1-day chart. So we can see that beautiful green candle, that beautiful pump. Now, guys, on the RSI, we're sitting at 75. And remember, anything over 70 is overbought. We are healthy on the MACD here. It is bullish, so this trend could definitely continue upwards. However, we will eventually see a correction, right? We'll start to go something like this, where we start to swing downwards with VeChain after such a large pump and after being overbought on the RSI, right? We see a little red candle here, but we have that beautiful green, and you can see it here, right, guys? You see that beautiful green candlestick climb and then a sell-off. Very healthy with VeChain. So if we look here on these couple of charts of technical analysis, we can see that beautiful upwards trend in that symmetrical wedge, and then it will squeeze. And because we're pumping right now, we should see a little bit of a sell-off with VeChain. Might not be for a few days, but definitely a possibility here for VeChain. So guys, as I had mentioned in the engine video, after it had been listed on Coinbase, it started to surge, and I talked about setting my stop limit. And there was a commenter, and he said, "Hey man, because you said that engine might surge and then sell off, I sold my position." And I was like, well, I did talk about stop limits. Of course, play it how you will, but a stop limit doesn't sell your position until the price hits that stop limit, right, guys? So for VeChain, you know, we've been in since 8 cents. So I've taken some profits along the way, and now we're pumping right now. I'll show you here on Binance. We see that beautiful green candlestick. Now we might meet support here at 0.118 or 0.11. So this is usually where I'll set my stop limit, is 0.118 at the support line or just below the support line, to give it space to bounce off that support and continue trending upwards without selling my position. So I might set it at 0.116 to give it an opportunity to bounce off that support. So guys, if VeChain were to continue to climb, let's say it keeps climbing, my position is not going to sell because my stop limit is at 0.118. And as VeChain continues to make new all-time highs or new highs over the last month, I'll continue to increase where I put my stop limit. So my stop limit might go up to 0.12 if we're at 0.13, you know, and then my stop limit, I'll keep putting it up as VeChain climbs. And then when the correction happens and it starts to sell off, it will hit that stop limit just as it's trending downwards. My position will sell, and then I'll wait for the dip and I'll buy the dip. That's a swing trade, guys. That's how I play it. You do have your holders where they hold and they wait till the tip of the bull run and then they sell their position, or they're just like, I'm going to hold it for like 5 years, right, guys? So, yeah, I'm just explaining what I'm doing. So I'll set my stop limit just below this support level of 0.118. I'll set it a little bit lower to give it an opportunity to hit that support and trend back upwards without selling my position. But if we were to break that support, then my position would sell and I'd gain those profits. And if VeChain continues to climb, I'll set my stop limits higher. All right, guys, just to be transparent with you guys. So my last prediction for mid-April for VeChain was 15 cents. Now, guys, it is currently April 9th, and I expect that correction to happen before that date. So we might see that correction will dip down, will start climbing back up again. So I will hold my prediction of 15 cents. Hopefully we see that correction and we start working our way back up to 15 cents by mid-April. Would be great. And then by the end of April, hopefully 20 cents, maybe a little bit more. And by mid-May, 25 to 30 cents. Just predictions, guys. Of course, I go by the technical analysis and I have to take it week by week. But VeChain is doing very, very well right now. So consider your stop limits, not financial advice if you are a swing trader. And And that's it for VeChain. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you're enjoying these profits with VeChain right now. A beautiful climb, especially over the last day. We have that 23%. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you're well. Much love. Take care. Oh, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.